back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, so I've been updating you guys on our whole situation of this word right now, the big old D. We got it last video. You guys have been helping me so much though on the fight of trying to not have that happen on the channel by thumbsing up and commenting on all the videos. We're not going to take an L on that one because that one was my fault. That I put the C word in the title and apparently that's not working out, so I'll take the L on that. But if you guys want to actually continue this streak of us having the monetize symbol on this channel, that would be awesome. All you guys got to do is smash that like button, give tons of comments down below, like literally spam them, bro. Apparently that's what you have to do to let YouTube know that, hey, we enjoy this, so don't do that to us, please. The D word, that'd be great. Appreciate y'all, man. Alright, man, so let's just get into this. First off, super messy. You guys know I'm redoing the kitchen, just busted down half of that wall. Bear with me, it sucks for me too. It's disgusting. But no, about a week or two ago, I did a video on the channel where I bought jewelry that's fake that apparently celebrities wear. Saving time, I don't want to give you any more detail. Go check it out if you want to. But through that video, and it actually did pretty well, a lot of people hit me up on my Instagram right here, and y'all were like, man, dug that video with the celebrity stuff, but you should do a video of putting celebrities on blast that have been wearing fake things in the past. Bars. I dig it, man. I actually got so many comments on that. I dig it, but I feel like I'm not going to give you guys the exact type of video you want. I'm assuming the video you want is for me to rag on people for wearing fake stuff, and I thought about it and I was like, I can't rag on them, man. I can't do that because my whole channel lately has been based on, you know, showing off fake jewelry. The reason I show off the fake jewelry is because I really don't care who's wearing fake jewelry or real jewelry. It's just something that's not in my mind. I'm just not somebody to care about that whatsoever. Wear what you want, and most of the time I feel like people won't even know that it's fake unless you're like 9 years old and you clearly can't afford a $30,000 tennis chain that you got around your neck. But it's just not my style. But I do still want to give you guys what you want to watch, and actually it is a cool video idea. I'm just gonna spin it in a different direction of not really judging and just kind of giving, I guess, my opinion. So here's where it gets real crazy, man. I actually did some research the other day. Wild. Went through a couple years of college and realized right after doing that and getting my diploma, I don't like research, nor do I like doing anything that has to do with school, nor learning like that. I don't research well. Doesn't matter. Anyway, I did my research, bro, and I actually found a list of rappers, short list, because I don't want this video to be too long, of rappers that have admitted to wearing fake chains or have been caught by wearing fake chains. There's some videos that I'm going to show you guys, and there's some like posts that I'm going to show you guys that are actually really funny, so it made me really want to do the video. So that's what we're going to do, bro. I'm going to go through these rappers that I found that have been caught, I already explained it, and I'm also going to show you the chains that they got caught with. Obviously, I don't know where they bought them, but just for visual aspects and just for what we're doing on the channel right now, I got some stuff here that I've already unboxed to save some time, and also some stuff that I've already had. I've got like this little box in my room. It's called my prop box, with some chains that I haven't given away or something like that. I keep them in there for a video like this, so that's what I'm going to show off. First person, man. So like I said, I was doing research on this because I'm like, that's a good video idea if y'all want to see it. And the first one I found is actually real cool, bro. This is Ugly God talking about wearing fake chains. Now, he actually did an interview with Vlad TV, I'm pretty sure. I could be right. No, I think it was someone else. I don't really know. Yeah, I'm not sure at all. Anyway, he did a video where he was wearing some gold chains. I guess they asked him about it or something like that. And he blatantly came out saying they were fake. And here's the video.
You talked about how your jewelry's fake?
Yes.
So that's fake right there?
Yeah.
That's not real gold?
Hell no.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Looks like real gold.
It's some good fake.
It's some good fake.
I actually loved watching that, man. I think that's so boss. Somebody like, you know, he has money. Dude's probably a millionaire for sure. Could definitely afford this stuff, but he's probably smart enough to know that most people that are gonna like judge him on his jewelry probably won't even know if they're real or fake. But that's just my thoughts on things, man. I try not to be a negative person, nor do I really, once again, care what people are wearing. So anyway, I actually bought this one for the video right now, just for some visual aspect. And this one we unboxed in a video before. This was actually, I think, from a company that claimed all their gold was actual real gold, but it wasn't. Put them on blast for sure. But this is from the video, as y'all can see, that was the type of stuff he was wearing, and I'm kind of bringing this in the visual aspect right here, like just kind of showing like, you can't probably tell this is real or fake by looking at it. This one actually I can. This one's way too gold. This one down here, actually, this one right here looks like real gold. So that was the first one. You guys asked me to put rappers on blast for wearing fake stuff. I won't put them on blast, but I'll show you. The next one, this is actually the video that I saw that made me want to do this video so bad, because I actually laughed my A off, bro. I hated saying that, but I can't say the real word or else it'll get the D word on this video. But this one was really good. This one's 6ix9ine actually being called out for wearing a fake chain. Right on video, and I guess Vlad TV posted it. Here we go, bro.
Oh, y'all celebrities be wearing fake jewelry, but we good here to test, you know, real diamonds.
You trying to play me? You trying to talk about my fake, my flaw and all that?
I'm fake, you know what I'm saying? You see these dancing, man. What are you talking about? Yo, Jimmy, come here. Let's see what's on your hand. You just got lucky real quick. All right. Just getting lucky.
Are you ready?
Hold on, you're not getting on the stone.
Oh, okay. I'm getting on the stone, bro.
No.
I'm getting on the stone, bro.
Nah, man, come on.
Where'd you get your jewelry from, dog?
Alright, man, so I just watched I just watched that one with you guys. Like, I die every time. Funny enough, Ugly God was also there, showing that his stuff was real, so I don't know. A little contradicting on what he was saying before, but 6ix9ine was caught wearing a fake diamond tennis chain like this. Now, let me tell you guys, a lot of you guys might have seen this. This is actually the fake tennis chain that I spent over $10,000 on with a pendant. It came out actually when we were doing that jewelry testing, my own jewelry series. It came out fake, so I actually did get my money back on that. But this just like, that completely reminded me, that resonated with me, and I'm like, I could definitely make a video about this. I guess the main thing is, man, anyone can get got, because I can't remember his name right now, but the guy that was in that 6ix9ine video testing his chain, I follow him on Instagram, I can't remember it, but he's a jeweler, like a very big jeweler, and he also didn't know clearly by looking at it that it was fake, which is kind of funny to me. It took a diamond tester to really prove, oh man, 6ix9ine's wearing some fake stuff, which I don't even get, man. Like, I don't get the problem with it, but whatever. I will preface by saying I may be getting a little contradicting here. I know a lot of you guys are probably like, NameBran, actually nobody's saying this because nobody believes me, but you guys know I only wear real stuff. I'm gonna tell you real quick why, because one, I don't have the confidence to wear anything fake because I'd be so scared of somebody calling me out in public. That's just real. But also, if you guys look back on like 10 years ago on this channel, I was reviewing jewelry sometimes and stuff like that. I always had a chain around my neck, and now I'm, you know, kind of at the position where I can finally live out my dreams of really thinking about owning something and with diamonds on it where I could actually buy it. So that's why I'd wear real things personally, but y'all do whatever you want. I'm just, who the hell is that? That's my girlfriend. Don't answer that text. And last one I screwed up on. Now, just keep in mind, there's not a lot of rappers that have been called out wearing fake jewelry, except for the watches, but I can't buy those watches that they were wearing that were fake because I don't know where to get them, nor do I want to get sued, because that is literally a thing with watch companies. That's why I'm real safe with what I'm showing off here. But anyway, the last one is Big Sean. I guess he came out and he said he was wearing some bone chain that was fake. I was trying to pick up the biggest names. There was a lot of other smaller names that were coming out like this and saying that they were wearing for some fake stuff back in the day. Big Sean said he was wearing some bone chain. Not gonna lie, when I was researching for this video, I didn't buy the proper bone chain that he was talking about, which was this. I just automatically thought to myself, I already have it, so why would I rebuy it? This is wrong. This is actually something that Vert wears, obviously. Lil Uzi Vert's chain, but that's, yeah, sorry on that. I didn't get the proper visual for you guys, but this is from Standards. This was actually one that I have for my prop selection that I think I gave about 2 to you guys at one point. That is just my bad. Anyway, I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I was downstairs, having a couple drinks with cameraman Ian. He lives here now, and we had some people upstairs doing some stuff, and I did this video, and I hope I did it well. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Making the game the greatest of all time. I wanted to give y'all what you wanted to see with just kind of a lighter spin on it, because I really don't. I'm not one to really judge people. We have that little Putting People on Blast series on my channel right now, but that's companies claiming they're selling things that they're actually not. I just don't have a problem with anybody wearing anything fake. It doesn't affect me, nor do I care whatsoever. That's what it is. I wouldn't promote doing it, but I kind of would if you want to do it, man. It's whatever it is, whatever. It's whatever. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. We're keeping the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Blow.